There will no longer be single-use plastics in Quezon City hotels, restaurants, and fast food chains. The local government has given establishments until July 1 to comply with the ordinance banning disposable materials for dine-in purposes. The ordinance was supposed to be implemented on February 15, but it was deferred to allow businesses to submit a transition plan. The ordinance was introduced by District 1 Councilor Dorothy Delarmente. The ban covers the use of throwaway plates, spoons, forks, cups, and other plastic and paper disposables.
Thank you for watching Politiko TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.